Come on, I see you. Come on. Give it up. This should be lifeless in your eyes. Lifelessness in your eyes. Come on. Now you want to. Come on, it's Red Man. She gives nothing. Hey. Come on, chase that. No. Hey, pay attention. Pay attention to the light. Baby. Are you happy? Are you serious? Are you happy? Just wait, all contacts. Now she's completely giving up. She's not fully giving up yet. But wait, she's still following that thing like prey. Maybe a little bit brighter. There we go. Yes! It's like... Come on, I know you want to. Oh, it's so enjoyable. Oh my god. She's like, screw it, and she's chasing around in circles. Come on, I know you want to. It is completely ineffective. It has no effect. Come on, I know you want to. Hey, it's right there. No, hey, wait here. Hey, no, it's here. Now he's starting to get into it. Oh, so enjoyable. I think he knows what's going on. Come on, my friend. I know you want to. Oh, okay. Gotta try not to aim it in their eyes. Come on. Let's see if they'll follow us. Come on, I know you want to. I know you want to. Stick attack! But no, it wasn't effective. Still right enough. Yes, it is. Still on for 5 minutes. Come on, I know you can see it. I know you want to. So enjoyable. Come on, I know you want to. That's not just saying it. Okay, I'm going to end it there. Oh, no, I'm not ending it here real quick. Are you going to chase it? I know you want to. She isn't care whatsoever. No? Fine. Well, I know you want to. So if the quality's bad. But this is hilarious. Are you happy? Oh, it's this again. Come on. Come on, I know you want it. Dang it. Can you guys try? He's not care whatsoever. I think the cats are starting to get on me. Where are they? Okay, I think they know what I'm doing.